Good morning.
Namaste.
Jai Jagannath.
This is Dr. Twesha
And I am Dr. Mansi.
and we welcome you all to the ancient capital of Odisha, Jajpur, formerly known as Jajati Nagari, established by the great Maharaja Jajati Keshari in the early 10th century. The history of Jajpur district from time immemorial is synonymous with the Biraja Khetra. One of the most significant contributions of King Jajati Keshari was rediscovery of the idols of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra, which had been hidden for 146 years in the caves near Subarnapur. He also rebuilt the Jagannath temple at Puri. The name King Jajati Keshari has been immortalized in the history of Odisha. A ruler of Somavanshi dynasty who united eastern and western Odisha under his rule in the 10th century. Jajati Keshari has become an intrinsic part of Odia identity with a number of buildings and roads named after him. His reign was marked by the performance of the Sashwamedha Yajnas on the banks of Baitarani river. The Yajnas demonstrated his commitment to the religious patronage, solidifying his reputation as a devout ruler.
ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଡି ପର୍ବତରେ ଘେରା ଏହି ପ୍ରାକୃତିକ ଜଗତିର ନାମ ଯାଜପୁର। ଆଜି ଯାଜପୁର ସାମଗ୍ରିକ ଉନ୍ନତିର ପ୍ରତୀକ ପାଲଟିଛି। ବ୍ରହ୍ମାଣ୍ଡ ପୁରାଣର ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା ଅନୁସାରେ ସୃଷ୍ଟିକର୍ତ୍ତା ବ୍ରହ୍ମା ବୈତରଣୀ ନଦୀ କୂଳରେ ମାତା ପାର୍ବତୀଙ୍କ ଉଦ୍ଦେଶ୍ୟରେ ଏକ ଯଜ୍ଞ କରିଥିଲେ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କ ସ୍ତୁତିରେ ପ୍ରସନ୍ନ ହୋଇ ମାତା ପାର୍ବତୀ ସେହି ଯଜ୍ଞ ଶିଖାରୁ ଆବିର୍ଭୂତ ହୋଇ ଏହି ସ୍ଥାନରେ ମା ବିରଜା ଭାବରେ ଅବସ୍ଥାନ କଲେ। प्रसिद्ध शक्तिपीठ माँ विरजा क्षेत्र ठारू आरंभ करी रत्नगिरी उदयगिरीर बौद्ध कीर्तिराजी प्राकृतिक परिवेश परिपूर्ण महाविनायक पीठ एवं श्री जगन्नाथ संस्कृति सहित जड़ित थिबा छतियावट आश्रम जाजपुर जिला को विश्व प्रसिद्ध करियछि। तेबे यहा थिला आम जाजपुर कला संस्कृति और इतिहास।
Now coming to the next special event of the day performed by esteemed faculties and tutors. Ma'am, please, the stage is all yours.
सूरज जे उठी पहेली हुए उदय सुप्रभात रे शुभय जे उठी जय जगन्नाथ जय
जय जगन्नाथ जय जय जगन्नाथ जय आम इतिहास स्मारकी आम शिलालिपि आम साहित्य संस्कृति पत्र पोथी।